In this video, we'll be going over another manipulation tool called Scale. Scale basically allows you to change the size of an object by making it bigger or smaller. There are two ways to scale something, by active scale and 3 points. Let's say we want to make this pizza slice bigger and want to scale it by 2. We can use the techniques we learned in the last video to select multiple elements. I'll use the one where we select the tool and then select the elements. Click on the Scale tool located in your Home ribbon toolbar under the Manipulate section. Now, let's set the settings in the pop-up and make sure that the method is selected to Active Scale, and then set X and Y to 2 as given in the instructions. Now, to select our smaller pizza, right-click and hold your mouse at the starting point of your selection. While holding the right click, drag the cursor to draw a rectangle around all the elements you want to select. Once all the elements are inside the selection area, release the right click. This will highlight all the elements within the area. Now you can click on the group of elements you have selected and see that the pizza is bigger. Right-click to place the scaled pizza slice, and then click on the element selection arrow in the Home ribbon toolbar under the selection section to unselect. Another way to scale is using the 3 points method. For this example, we have a rectangular cheese pizza and another one which is way smaller. The 3 points method is helpful when you don't know how much to scale by. So let's select the Scale tool again, located in your Home ribbon toolbar under the Manipulate section, and then set the settings. For method, set it to 3 points, and as you can see, the X and Y scale settings disappear. Now, to select our smaller pizza, right-click and hold your mouse at the starting point of your selection. While holding the right click, drag your cursor around the elements you want to select. Once all the elements are inside the selection area, release the right click. This will highlight all the elements within the area. Now, define a base point where the scaling will start by right-clicking. This point is a fixed point around which the object will resize, meaning it stays in the same place while the rest of the shape grows. So I'll select the bottom point here. Then click a second point by right-clicking, which marks the current length or size of the object. Lastly, the third point will set the new length or size for scaling. You can set this point to make the object bigger or smaller, and essentially this third point determines the distance between the base point and the scaled object. So I'll set the third point so that the shape is as tall as the other one by right-clicking. And that's how you use the Scale tool.